Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. Every week on Mondays I add a new phrase. So the phrase for this week is a single word, but it's the same as having a phrase really. Phrases can be 1, 2 or 3 words, sometimes a bit more. And this one is miharo. And miharo is part of the title of our book, our birds book. He miharo te manu, and that means birds are amazing. So miharo means amazing, wonderful, fantastic, that kind of thing. And you can just say it as a single word, which is a phrase. Miharo, miharo, and that's telling somebody that you think something that is amazing or wonderful, perhaps that they've done or that you've seen. Yeah, it's just a really easy one to use as a single word. So the I has the macron over it, so that makes the me be the kind of the emphasized part of the word. Miharo, miharo, and then this is the o sound. Miharo, miharo, and it's quite short at the end. Miharo, like that. So feel free to add that one to your work this week and in the family, and being encouraging and positive by saying miharo when it's appropriate, not all the time. Everything isn't amazing. And also always remember that don't add a new phrase until you've really embedded the previous phrase. Hopefully my videos are helping you to embed lots of phrases, and if you're finding that some resonate with you more than others, that's okay as well. We don't all say all the same things. We say different things, and so this one might not resonate with you, or it might. Ka kite.